All right, we flip the fish. What are we doing now, Mustafa?
No, not yet. No, don't do it yet. This is eggs. You know, the little eggs, you know. These are real organic. They are not that big. You know, they're little.
Little chicken butts.
Yeah, little chicken butts. I mean, they're real chicken. Not the shitty chicken. So we bring 4 eggs. And this is sumac from Iran.
What's sumac? Describe it.
Sumac, it's a plant in Iran. It's very soury. Very sour. It's good for your kidney stone, dissolve kidney stone, blood pressure, everything. It's
okay.
a medicine. Anti-cancer,
Describe what you just did there.
anti-cholesterol. The sumac, it's very sour, very delicious. Not the one you get in restaurant. This is real from Iran. Yeah. Look at the color. It's not red. It's not dyed.
Tastes like sweet tart.
Yeah, you see, this sumac, we put a lot of sumac.
Wow.
You wanna burn.
Will that make the eggs soury though? Because it is pretty sour.
It's very sour.
Oh, and then, so these are scrambled eggs.
Yeah, in Iran, we like sour. In America, you like sweet. In Iran, we eat sour.